What it do, ladies and gentlemen? Right here we got Mr. 45. He is 2X champion Lucky Luciano. I bred champion Lucky Luciano back to his daughter, which is Venus, and produced him. He is open to one person for $1,000, $500 deposit. It's first come, first serve. Here we got Gr.ch and Red Bull. Trying to get y'all to see how crazy Red Bull is, man. His back is so short. Let's see if we can put him up next to Gr.ch. You can see both their backs. Look how short Red Bull is. Look how thick Red Bull is. I need to do update photos of Red Bull. He's looking fantastic. So only... Man, yeah, I don't think anybody other than my camp has seen Red Bull in person. You know, a handful of people have seen Gr.ch. Nobody seen Mr. 45. Somebody was supposed to breed him from Litchfield, and then the day he was supposed to come, he never came. So these two males are both opened up to the public as well. Excuse me, $500 deposit. The rest, once you do the breeding, one person each. With Gr.ch, he is $500, $300 deposit. The rest, once you do the breeding. He's got a crazy head on him. Nice chest. Good old Red Bull. So Red Bull is a grand champion El Toro's son. His mother is Mona freaking Lisa. She is inbred grand champion Futuristic. Bred also grand champion Dirty Bird is her great granddaddy. I'm sorry. Grand champion Dirty Bird is her granddad because it's her mother's father. Yes, it's her mother's father. So this is a grand champion Dirty Bird grandson. I'm sorry, great grandson, because Mona's mother is was bred to grand champion. No, Mona's mother's father is grand champion Dirty Bird. There we go. Because Mona's mother was bred back to her granddaddy, which was grand champion Futuristic. That's how she's 2X grand champion Futuristic. Look at that. Look at that neck. Look at them shoulders, chest, short back. Dude, his back is short. His fronts are the best on my yard when it comes to male. His fronts are phenomenal. Oh my goodness, if I could get him, trying to get him alert. He's trying to play, because if I can get him a standstill, he naturally stacks too. He is amazing. Let's see if I can get him. Nah, see, he's trying to play. I can't get him to stay still. If I could, I could show you his fronts. Up. Oh, he was almost there. Stay right there, boy. Stay. Nah, he ain't finna stay. We got Gr.ch over here going to town on the brush. On the bushes. Look at him. Well, I've got a short back too, don't get me wrong, but Red Bull is a whole different size as far as length goes. He is compact as all get out. Get it out, boy. Let me go right there. See if you get alert. Dang it, every time I try to get it, I can't get it. He's trying to jump on me. His toes is tight. Like how Guap is like doing his own thing. He ain't even tripping. A little side shot of him. But yeah, Red Bull is 500 with a $300 deposit. It's first come, first serve. The first people that lock them in. So jump on this deal as quick as you can. Look at that, look at that, look at the toes. You seen it right there, you seen it. He got alert for a second. And them toes, man, they is the best feet on my yard. He's also got the shortest back. Well, I don't know. He might not have the shortest back. I got another little male too that is not open to the public. But this little male right here. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. Did it again. You can text me at 270-317-1952 to lock him in. Like I said, each person or each dog is one credit, one person. Lock him in ASAP. Greco Bully Camp signing off.